this video, I am going to show you 10 lessons I have learned after uploading 50 YouTube videos. Now, these are going to be practical lessons that I have learned. Now, remember on the first video I created, I talked about my honest review about YouTube video. And check here, I have uploaded a video, and do make sure you watch it before watching this video. Now, 10 lessons I have learned after I have uploaded 50 YouTube videos. That finds this amazing, right? Let's say you are starting your YouTube channel today and you have never uploaded any YouTube video, or you don't even have a YouTube channel and you are thinking of starting one. What are you going to experience? This is the practical things you should listen to, so that when you start your YouTube channel, you will know that these things happened, so that you will not get overwhelmed, or you will not think that you are not growing. So what I have learned on my YouTube channel, number one is consistency beats perfection. Now, why did I say consistency beats perfection? The fact that when you keep uploading on YouTube channel, the algorithm is actually going to favor you. So I have learned the fact that upload even when it is not perfect, even when the video is not perfect, still upload the video. So number one is the fact that I have learned over time that consistency beats perfection. So my video doesn't need to be perfect for me to upload it on YouTube channel. As long as I keep uploading consistently on my YouTube channel and talking about the same thing that my channel talks about, I am actually going to grow. So what's limited my growth was the fact that I wanted a perfect video to be posted on my YouTube channel. So number one is consistency beats perfection. Number two, audio quality. I know this is shocking, right? But audio quality beats camera quality. Yes. I don't know which phone you are using, and maybe you think the quality of the phone does not make sense. But I'm here to tell you that, in fact, invest in audio gadget than even the camera gadget. Yes, YouTube focuses on the audio. How good is your audio? So the audio quality matter more on YouTube than your camera quality. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't invest or use a phone that have good camera. No, all I'm saying is that the audio quality of your video will actually, the YouTube algorithm is going to push it more than you have a good or fancy camera, but your audio is bad. So number three is the fact that thumbnail is everything. Yes, your thumbnail should speak volume. So in fact, what makes you to click on a video is a thumbnail. The thumbnail is what you see first. It's not the video itself. It's when you click on the thumbnail that you are going to watch the video. So you should get a video editor who is going to create a thumbnail pattern for you that you are going to be using for your videos. That simply means that you can create a thumbnail and then send the raw file to you, so that you can be able to keep updating or deleting the title. But if your thumbnail stands out, you are going to get views. Number four is title derives clicks. So use searchable keywords. So let's say you are into food niche. You are going to use keywords that people are going to search for. Restaurants, good restaurants, current food, recent meals, fast food joints, so forth, and keywords that are relevant to your niche. So use searchable keywords. You don't just create a video and title it the way you want to. The SEO, that is search engine optimization, is very important. People are looking for certain keywords. In fact, we came across this video because we use certain keywords. Maybe you looked for maybe how to create a YouTube channel, what YouTube channel is all about, what are we learning on YouTube, this and that. So you came across this video because certain keywords I use here are SEO friendly. And then number 5 is engage in your comment section. Yes, engage in your comment. It helps build the community. In fact, when you engage in comment, it boosts your algorithm because the video is going to be pushed forward. In fact, my best performing video have like 34,000 views. I know that it's small for bigger channels that have 2,000 subscribers plus. I just have 1,000 subscriber plus, and I'm actually growing. So that video I created it's just about how to remove your number from blacklist, and the video just blew up. People just started commenting. I was replying. In fact, I have more than 1,000 comments on that video. So when they keep commenting, I keep replying them. Some will say, "Thank you, this video was helpful. This video just saved my day." And I'll just keep saying, "Thank you." If it was a question the person asked, I'm going to reply the person. Some were even saying, "How can I remove the black from phone? How can I remove my number from blacklist from this phone?" Because I use Techno Pop 8. And so they were asking me to do video on other phones, and I keep replying them, letting them I am going to do that. So it's important. Build community of like-minded people. Number 6 is badge record to stay consistent. Now, if you notice this background and this first video, you'll find out that the background is the same. Why is it so? Because I'm badge recording my content. So I'm going to record like 7 or 10 videos today, and I am going to upload it in the next 4 weeks. That means in a month I can create 10 videos. So what I do is that I have these videos written down and I script them and then create those videos. And then I upload it when it's time to upload so that when I am busy and I don't have time, I don't say, "Oh, today I'm busy, today I'm tired, I will not record." No, batch record your videos is very important. It helps you stay consistent so that when your viewers come back to your channel, they will find a video they are going to watch. You've uploaded another one. Not that you upload a video today and then you stay for almost 2 months, you've not uploaded another video. It's not good for your channel. That is what slow my growth on YouTube. So I have learned to batch record my video to stay consistent. Number 7 is watch time matters more than view. Yes, your watch time. How long the person stayed watching your video on YouTube matters more than the numbers of views you have. You can have a video of, let's say, 30 minutes, and then you have like 30,000 views, but your watch time shows that the person watched for only 0.1 seconds. It doesn't make sense. So they should spend at least 3 minutes or 2 minutes on your video. That helps you grow faster. So the number of watch hour matters more than the numbers of view you have. So when you start uploading, you should check out for watch hour. How long do people stay on my content? Are they staying for all to 2 minutes, or are they even watching all the videos from the beginning till the end? So guys, if you are getting value from this video, do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button now before you forget, and make sure you comment and share this video. On this channel, I talk about importation, I talk about social media marketing, I also talk about content creation, I talk about digital marketing as a whole. And so therefore, feel free to hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I create a new video. So let's move to number 8. Your personality is your brand. So you treat yourself in such a way that it reflects the brand. That means YouTube gives you the platform where you can brand yourself and show yourself to the world. So it's important to know that your personality is your brand. So if you create a YouTube channel, make sure you are true to it because it is you being reflected on that YouTube channel. Number 9 is learn analytics. Learn the analytics and understand what works and what does not work. Now, the truth is that you you can predict some of the analytics like uploading consistently will help your channel grow, and having a good audio quality and camera quality will also help your channel grow. But you need to understand the analytics. Who are those that are watching my video, and how long do they stay on this video? And then the last one is never give up. Growth takes time. Yes, never give up. Growth takes time. It takes time for your YouTube channel to grow. It takes time for people to discover you. In fact, it takes time for YouTube to push your video, and nothing in life comes easy. So therefore, every video is a lesson. So keep improving. Don't compare yourself with others. So if you find this video helping, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.